The Alphacool Core 1 CPU water block delivers outstanding thermal performance, with a three-dimensional jet plate design that pulls heat away from modern processors very efficiently during heavy workloads or overclocking sessions. It's all-metal construction, combining nickel-plated copper for the cold plate and a solid brass housing, feels exceptionally robust and resists wear far better than many plastic-topped competitors. The revised mounting hardware is thoughtfully engineered, using fewer parts and a clear backplate and spacer system that makes installation on compatible systems quick and predictable, even for first-time builders. Support for both current Intel LGA 1700 and AMD AM4 and AM5 sockets means this block can move between platforms without needing a replacement, which adds real long-term value to a custom loop. The minimalist exterior with rounded edges, subtle contour lines, and discreet nickel-plated fittings gives a clean, premium look that suits both stealthy black builds and more showpiece systems. For users who care about aesthetics as much as temperatures, the availability of different finishes and versions with gentle addressable lighting makes it easy to match the block to a wider themed water cooling setup.